Let's look at a scenario. You have something list here, something like this: 5, 2, 3. Okay, something like this. Just imaginary. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is what? Okay. Before I go for the program, what you need to do is the number of stud here, those many stars, or you can say x you need to type into the output window, or let's take a star. Okay, it's better. So that many stars you need to print on the window. How you are going to achieve that? Okay, so write your code and comment me the solution what you have come up, and take a break, do that program, and I'll come up with the solution. Okay, so here is my solution. So I'll give you two solutions. Okay, one is like this: for numbers. Okay, let me put it this way. Okay, numbers. So what I'm going to do is print number, and what I can do here is star. So star. Okay, so this is my code right now. Let me quickly run this program and see how it works. So let's see. Okay, if you see my result, so here it is giving 5 star, then 2 star, then 3 star, then again 5, 2, 3. So that's how it's repeating. Okay, so how this program is working is basically this statement is having a list defined here, then the number, basically nothing but out item, which will be iterate over this list. So we are taking each number. So in this print statement we are typing star. Okay, if we multiply with the number, so what happens? Those many stars gets printed on the output window. That's the beauty of Python. Okay, so say for example in first iteration the number 5 comes, so 5 star gets printed, then the 2 star, 3 star, and so on. Okay, so this is the beauty of Python. Okay, now think about a scenario, imaginary, that Python is not giving you this option, like you can multiply with the number and the star will get printed. So how you are going to achieve this solution? Okay, think about this kind of a facility is not available with the Python. So think about it and try to solve this answer, then come back. Okay, so welcome back. Again, I'm going to give you the result. Solution about the second solution about the problem we are having right now, printing the stars. So what I'm going to do in this case is I will define a variable output equal to a null character. Okay, then for item in range of number, then okay, so and what we are going to do is output equal to output. There you go, and in this thing print this output. Okay, let's run this program very quickly and then I'll explain about it. So I faced some issue. Let me quickly check what exactly the problem is coming. Indentation error. Okay, so that's very common thing. I think this is the issue. Might be. I'm just guessing. Let's see here. Yeah, it works. So you see the result has come 5, 2, 3, then 5, 2, 3. So those many stars are coming, those are printed. So what we are going to do here is we are using nested loop here. Basically, if you see here, 4 numbers in numbers. Okay, so we are iterating over the number. So number in outer loop is iterated over 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3 like this. Okay, Then what we are going to do is we are initializing a variable where it is uh, holding a null character output. Then inner loop will be for item in range of number. No, in the inner loop what will happen, the 5. Okay, so this loop will get executed 5 times because range of 5, that means 0 1 2 3 4, like that it's going to get executed. And here what we are doing is output equal to output plus star. So in the first iteration, the null will be concatenated with the star. Okay, and it will be done 5 times. Okay, so the 5 stars will be uh, string will be created, and that will be assigned to the output, and in this loop itself we are printing out. Okay, similarly, this inner loop will be iterate 5 times, then this inner loop will complete, then it again will get back to the outer loop, then it will start with the 2, it will take number 2, again output string will be initialized with null, then again these things will start getting executed. So like this will be again 2 star will be created, 3 star, like this, and then it will be printing out here. Okay, so this is how the nested loop is working for iterating number. We will look more on to the nested loop. Okay, think about a scenario, this one, for x and range of 5, or let's take a small number 3. Print of x. Okay, let me run this program very quickly. It is very simple program. It's just giving me 0 1 2. So what I'm going to do here is x is nothing but item which is in range of 3. So range of 3 means we will exclude 3, so it will start from 0, so 0 1 2. So that's what it's printing here. So we need to use a nested loop. So what I'm going to do is creating another loop here. Let's take again same number. Okay, we can take another number, but I'm just in this scenario I'm just taking the same number. Okay, so here I'm going to use a formatted string, this one. Okay, so what's going to happen here is, see, it's giving me result like this, 0 0 0 1. So it's like a xy coordinate it has given. Okay, 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2. Okay, like this it's a printed. So what we are doing here is there are nested loop. So first the y is getting looped, and x is also looped. So what happens is x initial value is 0, then y it becomes 0, so 0 0 gets printed, then y gets x value is still 0 and y gets incremented by 1, and then 0 1 printed, so 0 2 0 3, like this. Then again x value become 1, then again the inner loop gets executed, so 1 0 1 1 1 2. So similarly it gets it goes, x value goes up from 0 to 2, and inner loop also gets executed that many times. Okay, so this kind of result comes. So we'll see another example quickly. Yeah, take a scenario like this. Numbers you are having in a list, and it has many numbers, something like this: 3 2 5 7 8 9 4 1 2 3 4 5, something like this. So this is the numbers you are having in your list, and you have been given a program. You have given a task that you need to find a maximum number. So you need to write a program to find out the maximum number in a list. So think about this program, write it to your own, and then come up with the solution. Okay, so